Hi guys, so for our activity today, we're just gonna be doing another maze, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start here, okay? That's where it says start. And you're just going to you're gonna multiply either using whatever method you'd like. I did not put room on this, but I will. Okay, so what you're gonna do when you log on, you'll have room to do it through Cami. So I just have to zoom out so I can write on some paper so I could show you. But other than that, you guys will have the room. So you're just very basic, just like we always do mazes. This is like our fourth maze that we've done. What you're gonna do is you're gonna come and just multiply, okay? You're gonna multiply your binomials. So I'll do it in FOIL and I'll do it in the box method, okay? Whichever one you prefer to use, you are more than welcome to, okay? So first we're gonna FOIL, okay? I'm gonna do my FOIL, okay? If you feel like you need to write it, great with me, okay? All right, so I'm gonna do my first terms. X times x, which gets me x squared, right? I'm adding my exponents. Then I'm gonna do the outer terms. X times -5 is -5x. Then I'm gonna do I'm gonna do my inner terms. 8 times x is plus 8x. And then lastly, I'm gonna do my last terms, and it's 8 times 5, which gets me -40, okay? Then we need to combine my like terms, okay? So x squared, -5x plus 8x gets me plus 3x minus 40, okay? So this would be my answer. Before I go highlight what my answer is, I'm gonna come over here and show you with the box method, okay? So I'm gonna take I'll write it over here, x plus 8, x minus 5. My first binomial is gonna go on the top with me keeping my signs. My second is gonna go on the bottom with me keeping my signs, and I'm gonna go ahead and multiply. So here times here, which gets me x squared, right? Multiplying, adding my exponents. Then I'm gonna go from here to here, and 8 times x gets me positive 8x, okay? Then I'm gonna do -5 times x, which gets me -5x. And then lastly, -5 times 8, which gets me -40, okay? Then I need to go ahead and do the box method, okay? So I'm going to do my z, okay? Boom, boom, boom. And then I just need to write everything else down under that. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. I can't move the screen. So I'm gonna write x squared plus 8x minus 5x minus 40, okay? Then I'm gonna combine my like terms, which are these two. And my answer is x squared plus 3x minus 40. And now your job is to find the answer that goes off of this box, okay? That looks like this, or in this case, like this, okay? Now we have two possible answers. It could either be this answer or it could be this answer. It's super important to make sure you're looking at your signs. Okay, so the answer is x squared plus 3x minus 40. So this one here is my plus. And that's going to bring me to my next problem. So this will be your next problem. And you're just gonna go ahead and keep doing the same exact thing that I just did. Do not do both the box method and FOIL. Pick which one you like better, okay? That's gonna be that for the activity. You could come back on Google Meet or on Zoom if you have any questions.